Hi friends, welcome my channel. Here you'll find exciting product videos, honest reviews, and the latest tech and gadget discoveries. Top 5 Best Product Reviews. Number 5. Sluban WWII 17 building blocks set recreates the iconic USAAC flying fortress with detailed design and sturdy bricks. Enjoy an engaging assembly experience that boosts creativity and focus, perfect for kids, collectors, and aviation enthusiasts seeking a unique gift. Number 4. Airplane toy for children featuring a DIY bomber model building block set. Easy to assemble, durable, and engaging, it helps develop creativity, fine motor skills, and imagination. A fun and educational gift perfect for young builders and aviation lovers. Number 3. Creative Military State Route 71 Blackbird spy plane building blocks set offers a fun and educational assembly experience. Featuring a sleek, detailed design, this MOC kit enhances STEM learning, creativity, and problem-solving skills, an ideal gift for children and aviation fans. Number 2. Build your own F-16 fighter with Sluban's Military Series Building Blocks Kit. This detailed model offers an engaging assembly experience, durable pieces, and realistic design, boosting creativity and focus. A perfect birthday gift for kids and aviation enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Aircraft Series F22 Fighter Building Blocks model brings an exciting hands-on experience for kids. This MOC military airplane set features detailed design, durable bricks, and easy assembly, inspiring creativity, learning, and imaginative play. Perfect gift for aviation enthusiasts. Visit the description below for the product link. Thank you for watching my informative video.